Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Low miles and loaded with features. Features also include heated seats, keyless ignition, leather seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration, panorama sunroof. With these ratings, come test drive 2015 X5. The BMW X5 is an award-winning performance, space, and efficiency vehicle and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, panoramic roof, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.